Hey, this week we were profitable, but we only made one trade. So you're tuned in with Chico here. We're time to do a weekly recap from March 9th to the 13th. Yeah, due to the war, we didn't make too many trades. So what happened this week was, Oracle released earnings, and they had a really good earnings release. They're showing that they're executing well on the data center build out and sustaining good margins. And they did have a pop. They reached as high as I think about 170-ish, and then they came back down immediately after the next day. The next day they popped in the morning, and then they started to go back down. So now they're back down to 155. Man, there's no reward for these guys for doing a good job, and I feel like they're given how they're executing and all the funds that they've already raised and the whole situation. I would think their stock should be higher. But you know what it did do though is lifted up CoreWeave. CoreWeave was also down in the doghouse, and CoreWeave hit a high of like 84 here, and around here I think it was around 82 or something. We sold 5 contracts for CoreWeave with a strike price of $85, and we let it ride into expiration. With the war and everything, I just didn't know what to do, what to expect, and judging by the news and everything and other opportunities, I did not make another move. So we can take a look at that in a second and how much we made. This upcoming week, we do have Micron. Micron has bounced back from its lows in the recent times of like, it hit around 370, 380, because it's reporting earnings on the 18th, and we all know it's going to blow it out. It's just like whether the stock will go up after the earnings or not. I don't know what it takes to keep it going up, but they're going to crush the quarter like Nvidia in the recent quarters. At least that's what I'm guessing. So let me take you to the spreadsheet here. This spreadsheet, this is March 9th to the 13th. So yeah, we just CoreWeave. Yeah, it was a pretty lucrative trade, I think, in my opinion, for the premiums it gave. $1.24 per contract, 85 strike price, 620 total for us, and went to expiration. So collected all that 620, one for one trade. Yeah, it's only one trade, but it's a good one. So this month we're up 1484, and you see here on this spreadsheet for the month of February we've only made 3 of 3 trades. Again, the war is kind of like slowing the number of trades down, but we're up 1484 already in this with these 3 trades. So we're doing well, I'd say. And yeah, what's our next play? I have to feel it out. See what happens on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Micron does announce earnings, and do we make a play for Micron? Maybe, because I looked at the options chain, and you can sell a contract up to like 500 for if you, or it'd be like $3 or something like that. So that kind of delta in the price, maybe it's worth pursuing. I mean, like Micron would have to really jump like 80 points to put you in at risk of being in the money. Over 80 points, at least from the close of Friday. We'll see what happens on it on Monday and Tuesday too. If it goes further up, then maybe it's even more enticing to make a play on Micron. Well, yeah, I hope your trades are going well, and don't forget to like this video if you do. I'll catch you next episode. Thank you.